It's raining outside. It's raining. Wash away all these melancholy. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let the waters wash away my tears and still this pain. Yeah, I know the water can't take away this ache, but it will at least wash away these salty stains. Let it pour down like the cascading shards flowing from my punctured soul. Let there be a brief fight for tonight from this misery that I've allowed to gain control. Free. Let it rain. Let these waters flow down upon me, and may my soul be cleansed. May there one day be inside your heart the ability to forgive my sins. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Things done cannot be undone. All I can do is atone. But on my own I'm lost, all part of the cause. Baby, I really wish you'd come home. Let it rain. Let it rain. No one to hold me, no one to console me, nobody to call. I'm on my own. I took you for granted. Too late now, I understand it. But now, I'm all alone. I can't find you. I'm a better man now. I wish I could show you how. Though I know it might be in vain. When you listen, obstacles of the past, their extent too vast. So for now, I'll just soak in these memories and let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Wish you come back to me. I miss you, baby. I need you, baby. I wish you would come on home. I would never, ever leave you again. Come back. Let it rain. Let that soul pattern beat. This rain, melancholy feeling out of my soul, out of my